Hello guys and welcome back to OMS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Combat Warriors on Roblox for the PS4 and PS5 versions. So let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go to the search bar in the top right, click X, and then you're going to type in Combat Warriors. Make sure you are in the Experiences tab and not in the People tab. Combat. I'm just going to type combat in so it's a bit faster. My bad, I am using one hand so it's a bit slower for me to type. Right here, Combat Warriors, the first one at the left. And then just type in, just click X. And yeah, so you can click on the tab button to like claim your rewards. And then, go from there, claim your rewards, and then X out. Yeah, just keep Xing out, whatever, yeah, this is supposed to happen. Yeah, like I said, just keep claiming, keep tabbing out until you actually get into the game. And yeah, that's it. And then now we can go to play and actually play the game. And yeah, there we go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.